In this segment, we're going to continue talking about mind. We already talked about the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, and the power of the conscious mind being in the place of choice, the power in the subconscious mind being in the place of automation at these 40 million bits of information per second, handling everything for us, creating our reality. Really, the subconscious mind is creating our reality based on its programming. Not good or bad, whatever programming it got when we were early in childhood, it just runs our reality. In this segment, we're going to look at the superconscious mind. And what is that? Because we're going to use all these aspects of mind when we get into belief change, when we get into changing our reality. And we want to use the whole of who we are and not just the limited power of the conscious mind per se and try to push everything with free will. We want to use our whole mind. The superconscious mind is really important and often not used in change process. We all often forget about this, maybe because we are atheists or otherwise, but look at the superconscious mind as being this divine mind part of ourselves, this part. You might call it God for yourself, you might call it higher self, you might call it the universe, the intuitive part, but there's a tremendous amount of power here. And this part, this mind, is really beyond belief. It's in the place of knowing. It's true power and wisdom. It has infinite processing capacity to bring our goals and our dreams into our life. So if we're not using this infinite power of the superconscious spirit mind, then we are missing a large part of what is possible and our true potential. So when we're working with change, we want to work with the conscious mind and make choice. We want to work with the subconscious mind and have our choices habituated so that we easily ride that train to our goals and it creates the reality just the way we want. And we want to use the power and wisdom of the superconscious mind. So what do I mean by that? How do we use the power, and what's wisdom mean in the superconscious mind? Well, as the conscious mind, we want to first honor both minds and ask. First of all, it's awareness. Oh, geez, I've got this limiting belief, or, oh, I've got this goal. I want to go in this direction. I wonder if I need something to get there. What will it take for me to get to this goal? The superconscious mind will not interfere with our free will. So if we don't ask it, we don't get the benefit of the superconscious support and power. So the first step might be to ask the superconscious mind for its power and its wisdom. And what I mean by wisdom is it knows our life path. It knows our soul path. It knows where we've chosen to go at some level of our experience beyond space and time. And we want to honor that, because sometimes we don't get to our goals because it's really not on our life path. And the superconscious mind, by surrendering our goal to the superconscious mind, will take us there. If it's on our life path, it will take us there in the most efficient, powerful way beyond what we think is the path to get there. So if we're surrendering and asking the superconscious mind with its knowing, shall I go in this direction or that, it may take us in a direction that's entirely different, and we'll meet the right people at the right time in the right place to achieve our goals in the most efficient manner and include the learning and growth we need to get to our next goal beyond that, which we may not know of, but the superconscious mind, the divine mind, already knows that. So we want to ask, and we want to choose to receive the power, the wisdom, the intuition, however you call that, from the superconscious mind. And with that power and that wisdom, then choose to reprogram the subconscious mind with the new belief. And then with the conscious mind, look at the feedback. How did we do? Are we making progress towards our goal or not? And what other beliefs do we need? Ask for more information, ask for more guidance from the superconscious, receive that and reprogram and notice the feedback, taking action along the way. These are the minds all working together. That's the superconscious mind.